What's up, guys? Andre Coakley here, president of Credit360, out here with the Got Street Credit Movement. We're out here at the Palmetto Senior High talking to their 10th graders through seniors, just letting them know about the importance of credit. With the Got Street Credit Movement, I wanted to go out in the community and just provide a resource of understanding credit, finances, budgeting, just entrepreneurship, just giving the community a different way to actually see finances and actually be able to implement that in their everyday life skills. We know that financial literacy is something that's not taught on an everyday basis, and that can be some of the reasons why our economy is doing the way it's doing in a certain segment. So that's because of education. My first credit card was a Birdeyes credit card. With that, I bought a lot of foolish clothes, and at the day, I'm still suffering for those mistakes that I actually made as a kid, as an adult. So I just want to actually come out here, show them how they can actually empower themselves through credit, the way I did myself. However, also let them know the pitfalls that they can actually experience by not being responsible with finances. Once again, this is Andre Coakley from Credit360 on our Got Street Credit Movement, which just means we're out here in the world just helping empower youth and empower the world. Peace.